we started. Nice bars, everything going on again. Very nice. Nice cars too. Perlas, we arrived. Perlas brewery. How cool is that? A little bit of a rush, that dude. But this is amazing, guys. It's really nice. Oh, this is really cool. Worth the trip for sure. And you have the beach down there again. So man, everywhere you go is like this. Like infrastructure, nature, drinks, food, free parking. It's amazing, man. Like for real. Everywhere you go is like this. The roads can be dangerous sometimes, but nothing like, yeah, if you don't know how to drive, don't. But if you know how to drive properly, you're gonna be totally fine. Guys, look how cute is this area. Dogs having fun. Actually, that dog was smelling good. He took a shower most likely. And then paradise, live music. Guys, for real. This place is really, really nice. I'm telling you, this is as good as it gets. It is beautiful, man. And it seems that the dog adopted. Look, now walking.